Salem, mening aktum Josh. I'm learning Kazakh tili. My first video was learning the alphabet. This time, I'm going to start adding some simple phrases. I want you to join me as I learn Kazakh tili from zero. Don't forget to like and subscribe. When you just start learning a new language, it can be difficult to find motivation because it takes so much work. So I want you to watch me as I learn Kazakh tili during my daily routine. My first stop, picking up a cup of coffee. Let's go.
Hello, welcome to Master Truck today with one of our delicious blueberry muffins.
No, I'm just gonna go with a medium coffee.
Medium black coffee?
Yeah, medium black coffee.
Anything else for you today?
Nope, that's it.
We'll get that made for you right away.
Okay, thanks. It's a hot day here in Kansas, but I'm still drinking hot coffee. Write down in the comments, do you drink hot coffee on a hot day? Because I do. All right, I got that cup of coffee. Next stop is the bank, but I'm not going to show you my stop at the bank. Instead, take a look at my flashcards. This is going to help me learn as much Kazakh as I can. Repetition, again and again and again. That's how you learn. Okay, first vocab refresher. Here we go. Halaysın, halaysın. Halınız halay, halınız halay. Halaysın. Keep repeating, keep repeating, keep repeating. That's how I'm going to learn Kazakh tili. Halınız halay, halınız jaksi. Sizдің атыңыз кім? Sizдің атыңыз кім? Close? I hope so. Sizдің атыңыз кім? Sizдің атыңыз кім? I think that's right. Okay, the next stop is grabbing a bite to eat. This is one of my favorite sandwich shops, but sometimes they have loud music inside. I hope I'm still able to film because I want to show you guys what kind of sandwich I buy. So it is a little noisy in here, but the first bite is always the best. Siz hay jaktanısınız. Siz hay jaktanısınız. Okay, tell me, how close was I? Was I close? Nearly every language has that one word or phrase when you're first starting out. You see it and you think, why is it so long? For Russian, it was здравствуйте. I thought, how can hi or hello be such a long word? For Kazakh, I think it's going to be pleased to meet you. Okay, here we go. Let me give it a try. Tanışhanıma Kwanashtanıman? I don't know. I think that was close. Okay, one last for today. Sağ olunuz. Bye.